What's going on, guys? So I'd like to wish everyone a happy new year. Now the past couple of months I've been pretty busy with family related stuff due to the holidays. So I had a lot of family, relatives, guests, etc. Coming and going, so I've been kind of busy with that. Additionally, I've been working on side projects, so I'm trying to complete some of those side projects. So I've been busy with that. So I haven't been able to work on as many YouTube videos as I would have liked. Now the multi-threading course is done, but first I'm redoing some of my old playlists on YouTube. So the old multi-threading playlist was poorly edited, so I'm fixing that up. And I'll probably redo some parts of the regular expressions as well. So I'm redoing some of that. And of course the thumbnails, I've gotten some new thumbnails. I just have to add these thumbnails, so I'll have to spend some time on that as well. I do have some videos, hopefully I'll get them out by the end of the week. My editor is working on the old stuff, so I'm looking for someone new to help out with the new videos. Now a lot of my newer videos are going to be towards beginners and maybe some intermediate stuff. As for like something long projects or long playlists, I'm still not sure what I want to do. I have the PyTorch transfer learning, which I'm going to complete. Then I have the Git. I'm about 70% done, but I've put a lot of time into that, so we'll see. Someone had recommended MicroPython, which I actually bought a book on, so I'll have to go through that and see. But anything I do that's long, that requires a long playlist, I want to just make sure it's not too saturated on YouTube. So if there's something that's not too saturated, I'll try to create a playlist or something like that on it. If you guys have any suggestions as to what you'd like to see, you could let me know. But currently, I'm trying to work on beginner stuff that's kind of interesting, and some interesting scripts that I find. And randomly some Python related built-ins, etc. Anything that sort of just find interesting, I just put it up. But if there's a full sort of course you guys want to see or a playlist, let me know if it's something you're not finding on the internet or YouTube. Alright, so happy new year everyone, and hopefully everyone has goals for this year. I personally want to become more focused and action oriented. Last year I spent a lot of time thinking. I wasn't as focused as I would like to be. This year I want to be more focused. So happy new year everyone, and yeah, I will see you guys in the next video.